Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Honda Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity, all that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, security system, fog lights, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.